We just saw somebody move on, who moved to a beautiful stone cottage in Bakewell. We helped them get brand new carpets, brand new white goods. It was all painted, it was all brand new. It was the most amazing property. So that's what we help people do. From people can be homeless on the street or sofa surfing, coming to us and then go through a full support plan, development program, service user involvement program, and people are then prepared for move on and get their own place at the end. I think we should do a video really, Jill, of interviewing people and then support planning, how we work with people, do some filming around the projects, and then show a good positive move on, like our friend Bones.
Absolutely.
I think that'd be good, then everybody get a picture. But and there's a lot of stuff to do. I mean, we've got people who've just come with us recently and they've already done a media interview. They've already been part of a garden project and completed that. They've joined the gym. They've registered with a local doctor. And other people have come and they've got involved in food bank and leading on the food bank, and then done some stuff in the church with worship team, and then on drums very, very quickly. So there's always great opportunities with us.
And
with the network. Housing.
And setting up things and media. We've seen some, it's great to see people flourishing in their lives, isn't it? And that's what it's about, is giving people hopefully that support and confidence that they can go and do that somewhere else at some point. So it's a privilege to see people's lives being developed and changed.